Potato chips, the snack that sparks a rivalry as crisp as the chips themselves. Whether you're enjoying factory-made chips from Lay's or the high-tech manufacturing of Pringles, these two brands have battled for snack supremacy for decades. Lay's embraces traditional farming and large-scale food processing, turning fresh potatoes into crispy snacks, while Pringles takes a mass production approach, engineering its signature stacked crisps. And the rivalry isn't just in stores, it even played out in Super Bowl commercials, with both brands going head-to-head in a battle for snack dominance. So grab your favorite chip, and let's crunch into the secrets behind Lay's and Pringles to see who really reigns supreme. Part 1. Lay's production. While both Lay's and Pringles have their place in the snack world, Lay's remains the gold standard for classic potato chips. With a focus on simple ingredients and minimal processing, Lay's has perfected the art of turning fresh potatoes into crispy, flavorful chips enjoyed worldwide. But what exactly goes into this industrial production process? Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at Lay's food production factory, from sourcing the perfect potatoes to sealing each bag for maximum freshness. Sourcing and selection of potatoes. At Lay's, the journey from farm to factory starts with top-tier potatoes grown on specialized farms. Varieties like Atlantic, Snowden, and Lady Rosetta are selected for their ideal size, high starch content, and low sugar levels, ensuring a perfect golden crisp without excessive browning. Soil plays a crucial role, acting as a natural storage unit that retains moisture and prevents spoilage. Farmers carefully manage soil quality and use sustainable practices, including AI in manufacturing and water-efficient irrigation and crop rotation, to maintain long-term potato health. After harvest, potatoes undergo strict quality checks for defects, starch content, and sugar levels, ensuring only the best make it into production. Recently, Lay's has been focusing on sustainable sourcing. In a step toward factory-made sustainability, as of 2019, PepsiCo, Lay's parent company, announced that all the potatoes used in their North American products are 100% sustainably sourced. This commitment ensures that while you're enjoying your chips, the environment gets a little love too. Cleaning and peeling process. The first manufacturing process at the Lay's food production factory involves cleaning and peeling the potatoes. At Lay's, two steps ensure only the best potatoes make it into a bag of chips. When truckloads arrive, automated high-tech manufacturing scanners and workers sort out any with blemishes or green spots, which can cause a bitter taste. Rejected potatoes are repurposed as animal feed to minimize waste. Once approved, the potatoes move into a high-powered washing system where pressurized water jets remove dirt and debris. This method ensures a thorough clean while keeping the potatoes intact. From there, they enter robotic factory processes like abrasive rollers or steam technology to remove only the thin outer layer of skin, maximizing yield while maintaining texture. Unlike some brands that rely on chemicals, Lay's focuses on mechanical methods to keep the factory-made food process natural. After peeling, a final rinse removes excess starch, preventing chips from sticking together during frying. This ensures the perfect crisp. Recently, Lay's parent company, PepsiCo, introduced water recycling technologies to cut water use, reinforcing sustainability efforts. Slicing and pre-treatment. In the journey from farm to your snack bowl, the slicing and pre-treatment of potatoes are pivotal steps in crafting Lay's signature chips. Once the freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the facility, potatoes enter an industrial production line where factory-made technology ensures precise slicing. High-speed slicers then cut them into thin slices, with the option of straight or ridged cuts, depending on the chip variety. These uniform slices ensure consistent frying and texture. To maintain the chip's appealing color and prevent browning, the slices undergo a brief immersion in a solution containing food-grade additives like phosphoric or citric acid. This step not only preserves the visual appeal, but also enhances the chips' shelf life, making them last longer in the food production factory. It's worth noting that Lay's has recently reintroduced their popular fried pickles with ranch flavor at Sam's Club, delighting fans with its tangy, creamy taste. Frying process and oil management. The frying process transforms raw potato slices into the crispy chips we all love. These slices are immersed in industrial production fryers with oil heated precisely to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. A paddle system keeps them moving, ensuring each slice cooks evenly to achieve that perfect golden hue. Once fried, excess oil is carefully drained, giving the chips their signature crunch without greasiness. Managing oil quality is crucial in mass production. Lay's employs a system that adjusts frying temperatures and includes pre- and post-treatment steps to reduce the final oil content of their chips to less than 18% by weight. This not only enhances the chip's texture, but also aligns with health-conscious consumer preferences. On a lighter note, while the chips take a hot oil bath, they probably don't realize they're on a journey to become everyone's favorite snack in large-scale food processing. Seasoning and flavoring. After frying, Lay's chips embark on a flavorful journey in the seasoning phase, a crucial factory process in their mass production. They enter large rocket-shaped shakers where precision sprayers evenly coat each chip with a variety of seasonings, ensuring a consistent taste experience in every bite. The seasonings used in Lay's chips are carefully formulated blends of spices, salt, and flavoring compounds, mixed to create signature tastes. These factory-made food seasonings contain flavor enhancers like maltodextrin and MSG in some varieties to balance the taste. For popular flavors like sour cream and onion, a combination of buttermilk powder, onion powder, and garlic powder is used to achieve the signature tangy and savory taste. Meanwhile, spicy flavors like Flamin' Hot are crafted using chili powder, cayenne, and a dash of citric acid to create that signature fiery kick, key to their appeal in large-scale food processing. Lay's is renowned for its diverse and innovative flavors. In 2025, they've delighted fans by introducing the highly requested all-dressed flavor to the U.S. market. This unique blend combines barbecue, salt and vinegar, and sour cream and onion flavors, offering a sweet, savory, and tangy taste sensation, proving once again that factory-made sustainability and innovation can go hand in hand in the food production factory. Packaging and quality control. In the final stages of Lay's factory process, precision and quality are paramount. Each batch is meticulously measured and weighed to ensure consistent portion sizes, a key aspect of mass production in the food production factory. Advanced metal detectors then scan the chips, safeguarding against any foreign objects inadvertently introduced during industrial production. To maintain that signature crunch, Lay's packages its chips with nitrogen gas. This practice not only preserves freshness, but also prevents the chips from breaking during transit. Before sealing, every bag undergoes a rigorous inspection, ensuring only top-quality chips make it to store shelves. So the next time you enjoy a bag of Lay's, remember the detailed care and attention that go into delivering your favorite snack. Part 2, Pringles. Enter Pringles, a brand that redefined the factory-made food industry by crafting uniform crisps from a carefully engineered potato dough. Unlike Lay's, where each chip has its own natural shape, Pringles are precision cut, molded, and fried to perfection, highlighting high-tech manufacturing and snack production. So, how does this transformation happen? Let's dive into the fascinating world of factory-made sustainability, where science and snack making go hand in hand. Sourcing and dough formation. Pringles don't use whole potatoes like traditional chips. Instead, they start with dehydrated potato flakes, sourced from various suppliers who meet strict factory process steps for size and starch content. Did you know that they are only 42% potatoes, the bulk of the rest being starches and wheat flour? These potato flakes are sourced from various suppliers who provide them based on specific standards like size and starch content. Pringles' unique shape and texture stem from their distinctive dough formation and rolling process. The journey begins with a blend of dehydrated potato flakes, cornstarch, rice flour, and water mixed to form a pliable dough. This mixture is then pressed under 4 tons of pressure to create a thin, uniform sheet approximately 1 millimeter thick, showcasing the precision of high-tech manufacturing in food production factories. Next, a rotary cutter punches out oval shapes, affectionately known as doyles. These cut pieces are then molded into their signature saddle shape using a rolling mold, ensuring the crisp texture these factory-made food snacks are known for. Frying and shaping process. Once prepared, the dough is rolled into an ultra-thin sheet, approximately 1 millimeter thick. This sheet then passes through a rotary cutter, stamping out the familiar oval shapes. But here's where factory-made technology plays a crucial role. As these ovals move along the industrial production line, they're placed onto a conveyor equipped with rolling molds. These molds gently press each piece into the distinctive concave form, scientifically known as a hyperbolic paraboloid. This unique shape isn't just for aesthetics. It ensures that each chip stacks neatly, preventing breakage and making them perfect for that satisfying pop from the can. The shaped chips then enter a precisely controlled fryer, where they're cooked at 392 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for exactly 11 seconds. This brief frying period is meticulously timed to achieve the ideal crispness without overcooking. Post-frying, a hot air blower removes any excess oil, ensuring the chips aren't greasy, but retain their signature crunch. In a lighthearted twist, it's worth noting that Pringles' commitment to uniformity means you could probably use them to teach geometry, if you can resist eating them during the lesson. Seasoning process. Once the Pringles crisps have been perfectly shaped and fried to a golden crisp, they move on to one of the most crucial stages, seasoning. This is where a simple potato-based crisp is transformed into the bold, flavorful snack that has made Pringles a global favorite. But unlike traditional chips, which are tossed in tumblers during mass production, Pringles take a different approach. Because of their unique stackable shape, Pringles cannot be jumbled around like regular chips. Doing so would break their delicate structure. Instead, they are seasoned using the waterfall seasoning method. As the crisps move along a high-tech manufacturing conveyor belt, a fine mist of seasoning powder is gently cascaded over them, ensuring that only the top side of each chip is coated. The seasoning formulation is just as controlled as its application. A finely ground mix of spices, cheese powders, and flavorings is designed for strong adherence without being too powdery or sticky. It also helps the seasoning cling without soaking up excess oil, keeping that signature crispness intact. This factory-made technology ensures that every chip meets the same standard, batch after batch. Pringles is set to excite snack enthusiasts in 2025 with the introduction of innovative flavors. In collaboration with Miller Lite, they're unveiling the beer can chicken flavor, which combines the savory essence of roasted chicken with a subtle beer undertone inspired by the classic barbecue dish. This unique flavor is scheduled for release in May 2025. Stacking and can packaging. Before Pringles make their way to store shelves, they must pass the final and most critical checkpoint, taste testing. A team of expert testers samples random batches to ensure the perfect balance of flavor, crunch, and texture. Their trained palates can detect even the slightest deviation, ensuring that every can delivers the signature Pringles experience. After being tested, each Pringles chip embarks on a journey through an automated robotic factory process stacking system. This process ensures that every chip is neatly aligned into uniform stacks, ready for packaging. These stacks are then carefully inserted into the brand's iconic cylindrical cans, which are sealed with metal bottoms and topped with plastic lids. To maintain the chip's signature crunch and freshness, a puff of nitrogen gas is added before sealing. This meticulous process guarantees that when you pop open a can, you're greeted with perfectly stacked, crispy chips every time. In recent developments, Pringles has expanded its packaging repertoire. For the first time in over 15 years, they've introduced Pringles Mingles, a bagged, bow-tie-shaped, air-puffed snack that combines two flavors in each puff. This new addition offers a fresh twist on the classic Pringles experience. Part 3. The Potato Chip War. Who reigns supreme? Lay's has long been the reigning champion of the snack world, delivering classic, crispy potato chips that feel fresh and familiar. Then came Pringles, the meticulously designed challenger, offering a uniform, stackable crisp that defied tradition. While Lay's embraces its farm-to-table roots, Pringles markets precision and consistency, appealing to those who prefer their snacks engineered to perfection. This rivalry extends beyond store shelves and into high-stakes advertising, especially during the Super Bowl. In 2025, Pringles grabbed attention with a humorous ad featuring Andy Reid, Nick Offerman, and James Harden, playfully celebrating Mr. P's iconic mustache. Lay's, on the other hand, leaned into nostalgia with a heartwarming spot about a young potato farmer, reinforcing its homegrown image. Their strategies highlight their differences. Pringles thrives on fun and quirkiness, while Lay's keeps things sentimental and familiar. Despite Pringles' strong presence, Lay's remains the undisputed market leader, generating around $4.27 billion in U.S. sales in 2024 compared to Pringles' $1.2 billion. Pringles' innovation keeps the competition lively, but Lay's dominance in global sales and consumer preference secures its spot at the top. The chip war rages on, but for now, Lay's keeps the crown, while Pringles ensures the battle stays interesting. And that wraps up our deep dive into the epic battle between Lay's and Pringles. Whether you prefer the crispy, farm-fresh bite of Lay's or the perfectly stacked crunch of Pringles, one thing's for sure: this rivalry keeps the factory-made food industry exciting. Both brands rely on advanced factory process steps and high-tech manufacturing. Which team are you on? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll explore the craziest factory-made limited edition chip flavors from around the world. Stay tuned and happy snacking.